Write a Python program to check a prime number. What is prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible only by themselves or by 1. For example, 7 is a prime number. When we divide 7 by itself, then what we have is that it gives a remainder 0, otherwise it does not give a remainder 0. Let's start write the code. We take input from the user, the number here. Then we write if condition if equal to 1, then print message. It is not a prime number because all numbers are divisible by 1. That's why we not include 1. Then we write if condition if num is greater than 1. Then we write for loop for I in ring. We provide a ring equal to num. Then we write if condition if num divided by I, then it gives the remainder 0. Then we print the statement it is not a prime number. Then we break the statement. Then we write else condition when it is a prime number. This is our program. Let's run this. Then we enter a number here. We write 11. It is a prime number. Then we pass another number 13. It is a prime number. Then we pass 7. It is a prime number. Then we pass 8. It is not a prime number.